Hello everyone.
Hi everyone.
This video is about how to teach your child about the basic letters and sounds. So it's very important as a parent that you should not only teach the letters A, B, C, D, maybe any language. It may be English or it may be Hindi or whatever. So what we do normally, we teach them the sequence like A, B, C, D and all, and it is also very easy for a child to understand. So what happened when we teach the sequence, a child will learn very easily a sequence, but when we ask in between the letters or in the sequence in between we ask, the child sometimes hesitate to answer because he or she doesn't know how to answer, right? So what we can do in this case, that we can teach always the letters, but just try to give the picturization. It's not only just you have to read or just show the letters. So for example, I have here letter O. So here I have the flashcards. So if you don't have the flashcards, what you can do, you can take the papers, the piece of papers, and just write the capital letters as well as small letters. So many parents think that why to teach small letter? Why? See, when we teach only the capital letter, what happen? A child will only focus on capital letter. It's very difficult for the child to understand. So when we are introducing the letter, you can also introduce the small letter also. So it's very important that the child has to understand what is this letter. So after you just show the flashcards or letters to the child, you can also start with the phonic sound, which is very important, because when you teach the phonic sound, the child will easily understand. The child also will easily read the words, which will further develop the reading skills. So many parents, what they do, they don't focus on the phonic sound. So what happened? The child feels very difficult while reading. Hanita has already learnt about the letters and sounds. So today in this video, we are going to say how you can do the activities with the kids so that your child will learn and recognize the letters very easily. So Hanit, I have few letters here. Can you see? Okay. So I'm going to ask you some letters.
Mama?
Are you ready?
Yes.
So Hanit, what is this letter?
K.
K. What is the sound of letter K?
K.
K. Very good. And what is this picture?
Kite.
Very good. And here also we have in this flashcards, back side of this flashcards, there are few pictures. Hanit, can you tell me what is this?
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
King.
King. Very good. And
Kite.
this one.
Knee.
Knee. Can you show me your knee? Very good. And also when we are teaching or when we are asking, we can also give them some picture, give them some reference, and ask them to understand the day-to-day life words. Okay. Now tell me, Hanit, what is this letter?
L.
L. What is the sound? L. Very good. And what is this? L.
Lion.
L.
Lion.
Lion. Lion is the
King on the forest.
king of the forest. Very good. Now tell me, what is this letter? And what is this?
Sunflower.
Sunflower. Very good. Okay, good. Now tell me, what is this?
Sun.
Sun. This one?
Boat.
This one? Ship. Very good. And this one?
Boat.
This is boat. This one?
One.
After you ask the child randomly, we can also do another activity, like just place the letters on the floor or on the table. You can just place whatever letters you want and ask the child to find out the particular letter what you want to ask. Hanit, here there are some letters. Can you take letter T? Train. Yes. Very good. So what is this letter?
Train.
What is this letter? What is this letter?
Capital.
Yes, capital letter and
Small T.
small t. Very good. Hanit, can you take letter H? Yay, very good. H says, and what is this?
House.
House. Yes. Can you tell me what is this?
Hippo.
Hippo. And this is?
Helicopter.
Helicopter. Very good. And also when we introduce the letters, you can also show them some objects like here I have one object. What is this, Hanit? Hat. What is the first letter of hat?
H.
H. Very good.
Car.
What is this?
Car.
Car. What is the first letter of car?
C.
C. K. Very good. Now tell me what is this?
Leaf.
Leaf. What is the first letter of leaf? L. Very good. And tell me what is this?
G.
Glass. So in this way a child also will understand that which is the first letter of the word. So which will further help for the child to read and understand in a better way.